So I wanted to make this video on how to fix the JR module bay in your micro or nano TX for your radio controller. You might have the TBS. This is the nano here. It's a smaller. They have different versions. There's the micro, the nano. You got the full size. Or you can get the 4-in-1 if you want the protocols of Fly Sky, or Futaba, or one of those. So how I fixed this issue and getting these this thing in here is you just need two tools. You'll need a file and then some side snippers. And basically all that you need to do is just turn it over. You just put it on your bed. And if you look right there, I've cut one of them off. One of the ribs that hold these together. And they go onto the JR module bay. So all you need to do is just snip that, or if you just have a file, you can just file it down and then get that file down. But you see right there, it always holds it in place with the tab. You also have the antenna there for your Radiomaster protocols that you update about every year. So before I cannot get this in, I can lift over 200 pounds and I cannot even get this thing out once it got installed. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install once you do this. So basically just line this up. See that? And then you can just move it. Then I'll show you this work.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning.
So there it is. There's ELRS and it's working. So let's say it's not connected to anything. That's why the light is blinking. So let's say that you wanted to do, if I use some TBS, then just get your TBS protocol. And there it is. That one took a little bit more skill to put in because it's a little bit bigger JR module bay compared to this Express LRS. So you see the light is blinking. It's not connected to any drones. But see on the screen, it's still connected. So you can pair this with all your TBS drones to new firmware updates. And so that is all that I wanted to show you. And show you. See, I'll remove it. Show you how easy that was. See, nothing was broken. All the pins are there. The tab is there. So, thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helps you. Goodbye.